Welcome to my channel Connection. Today we will discuss uses of mathematical operator, formulas and function in Excel for the beginners. These arithmetic operators supports Excel formulas. For addition we use plus sign. Before use it we put an equal sign, then 3 plus 3 and press enter. When we press enter we get the result. For subtraction we use minus sign. If a number is negative number, then we use a minus sign before that number. For example, minus 9 means it is a negative number. If it is positive number, then we use only that number. For multiplication, we use asterisk marks or asterisk symbol. For division, forward slash. For percentage, percent sign. For exponentiation, we use caret sign. For example, if we want to know the exponentiation of 2, that is 2 cubed, 2 caret sign 3, press enter button. We have a simple table. We want to know the total student of class 5. For this, we have to create a simple formula for this. It is very important to remember that each formula in Excel starts with an equal sign. For this, here we put, means E4, we put a plus sign here. After this, we refer the cell. We want to calculate 59 plus 66. Here the cell reference is 59. The location of 59 is C4. This is cell reference. First we refer column and then row. Here we don't write C4. We just point our mouse pointer here and click on it. Then it appears. Then we press plus sign from our keyboard and place the mouse pointer on 66. Automatically the cell reference appears here. When we press enter button, then the result appears. Now I am explaining in detail. Here just we put a sign and press 59, then press plus button and then press here. Now we press enter. Here the result comes, but we want to know the result of 6, 7 and 8 class. For this, we don't have to write formula again. For this, we place here and place our mouse pointer here, and we see here is a small square appears. When we place the mouse pointer here, it changes to a plus sign. We just double click here. The result of class 6, 7 and 8 appears here. This is called fill handle. We also drag this point to downwards and release here. The result also appears. When our data is 2 or 3, we can use plus sign for addition, but can use it when the data is too large. There we can use auto sum. For this, we should understand the ranges of cell. The range of cell, when we select more than one cell, that is the range of the cell. Suppose from K4 we select M4, K4 colon M4, this is the expression of the range of the cell. First, simply select these cells. Then you want to multi-ranges, then press Control button here. Again press Control button and here select this one. This is the range of cell. Now look at the table. We want to know the total activity of foundation for these 6 months. For this, we use AutoSum. The AutoSum, there are 3 ways to do it. First, AutoSum tool from the ribbon. This is the AutoSum tool. It is under Home tab. Next, we can use the AutoSum formula. Third, we use shortcut key. To use this tool, we first select the ranges of the cell. We select it from left to right or right to left. Here our result appears. We just select from here and click on AutoSum button. The result appears here. Now double click on the fill handle. The result appears. Result of the other activities also appears here. Now look carefully in the formula bar. The formula appears. Some function, then and it is the range. It is a range. Ranges of cell. Right. Same thing, same formula we write from our keyboard. Equal to sum, parenthesis open, then select the range, then close the parenthesis and press enter button. Now it appears, the result appears. Now double click the fill handle. The result of the other activities also appear here. Our third method is shortcut key of AutoSum. Select the total area including the blank area where result appears. Include this blank area also. Now from your keyboard press Alt button and equal to button. The result appears here. We can multiply in 2 ways. First, to use asterisk symbol, and second, a formula. Asterisk symbol equal to this cell, asterisk marks, this one, press enter button. Now double click or drag and drop here. The result appears. This is the asterisk mark. Second, the product formula. We use it equal to sign product. It comes, double click here, product number 1, comma, number 2. Now press enter. Double click the fill handle. This is for today. Stay tuned until my next video, which I will upload shortly. Until then, goodbye and thank you.